Smokey, are you ready for some cable management porn? Look at that. Look at that. Nice. All the cable boxes are laid out nicely. See, look at that. Everything is like nice and strung up, you know? Yeah. You see the cables coming in? See the cables coming into the back here? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This AC unit throws cold air into this cabinet here. Can't really open the door much. So that's a flawed design there. Here's the powers. This is essential on any rack. Finger looms. You take one of these off. You see, you can just dump all the excess into these holes, and when you put it on, it looks nice and neat, you know? It's a bit cheating, but cable management is all about hiding the excess cables, you know? There's just no way to make a perfectly sized cable. So what you do is you just hide all the excess, and then it looks neat, right? This is the auxiliary rack, where all the cables in the whole house, they come here, and then there's a punch panel that goes that way. But this is a work in progress here. These cables here are a work in progress. And then this, I don't even know what's going on over here. Like, that's not even my domain. I'm not touching that.